Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, I thought I'd do a mantis feeding. I haven't done one for a while. I'd probably say this cricket's a little bit big for this mantis. He took it down perfectly fine, but I'm just thinking, you know, it might eat a little bit more than it might stop. Its abdomen's looking a little bit chunky, so I don't normally feed crickets to my animals. I usually use cockroaches and red runners, but unfortunately the oothicas or eggs haven't hatched yet. It takes around about 4 to 6 weeks for the eggs to hatch, so yeah, it's always nice to see your animals eat. And like I said, I haven't done a mantis feeding for a while, and I can't wait for this mantis to get bigger. If you've looked on my channel over the years, I've had a few of these mantis, and they get to around about the 3-inch mark, and they're actually from Australia. I'm hoping this one's a female. If you look at the segments on the actual abdomen or the tail, females have about 6 segments and males have about 9. I'll just get my tongs and I'll just show you the segments on the tail, which are just here. If you count these segments there, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, possibly could be a female. But best way to know for sure is to wait for another molt, and then I'll upgrade it into a bigger enclosure. I'll use a 32-ounce deli cup, put some mantis mesh on the actual lid, and a few sticks so it can walk around and hang upside down like mantis do. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and thanks for watching, everyone.